Nasa correct way tayo ngayon, guys. Pang ilang paulit-ulit na akong pumunta dito. Nasa ano tayo, wrong way tayo. So andito tayo ngayon, guys, sa Marina Bay, Garden by the Bay South. Alright, so nasa correct way tayo ngayon. So andito yung ano, yung Formula 1, the exhibition, exit entry. Andito pala yun. So dito pala galing. Yan o. Open July 23. Scan to book. Ganda, guys, no? Maganda. So mamaya punta tayo mamaya doon sa may Garden by the Bay. That mainit na. Mainit na yan. Pwede rin pumunta doon. May view din dyan. Yan o. Maano pa naman, maaga pa naman. Pero mainit yung sinag ng araw, guys. You know where I took the wrong turn? Punta kami dito hapon na noon. So maganda dyan mag-ikot-ikot. Pero mainit na kasi baka ma-stroke tayo. Alright. So pwede tayong pumunta sa sa may Garden by the Bay. Doon sa may ito yung Formula 1, the exhibition. Dito pala yun, guys. So ready na pala. Marami sigurong pupunta dyan. Ewan ko kung start na sa July 23. July open 23. Scan to book. Siguro may bayad to. So dito tayo maglakad. You know. Maganda. Dito pala makikita yung view. Dito sa likod. Mga nagbabangka. Yung bridge, yung mga heavy duty ba papor doon sa likod, guys. Sis. Yeah. Ah, you're alone also, ah? Yeah, yeah, if you busy, busy. I also, today I never go to church.
Oh, you
Mm.
going to?
Yeah, I never go to church today.
Okay. Then you going here?
Yeah, go here, then go to Lucky Plaza later.
Oh,
Mm,
Lucky Plaza.
yeah.
But now it's better you have the Nissan MRT here.
Mm-mm. Because later got my niece meeting there. Here also, I
With my friend.
think, yeah. This is Satay by the Bay. Yan, Satay by the Bay. Alright. Can go inside also. Satay by the Bay. Yan. Dito tayo exit. Yan. Mas maano kasi yung maglakad by isa guys kasi pwede kang aalis or hindi ganun. May kasama ka kasi pag may kasama ka parang naano ka. Anytime na aalis ka pag wala kang kasama. So dito ay construction area. Nature. This is the view of nature. Mga plant. So this is the part of Marina Basin. Nasa ano tayo? Kakahoy-kahoyan. Oh. Ayan, thank you guys sa inyong panonood. Alright. Lakad-lakad. The view of nature. Ayan. Alright. Here tayo.